This video, I'm decorating lanterns for fall. So if you're interested in seeing how they turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled the Fall Lantern Collaboration and is hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister of mine, Kenya, at Kenya's Decor Corner. Now if you're not familiar with Kenya's channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist when it becomes available, and the rules for a proper protocol for a collaboration will be listed down below in the description. Now all she asked us to do was to decorate lantern for fall. You could use it as decoration or decorate it. So she also asked us to use the hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag Fall Lantern Collab 2020. So if you're interested in seeing how I decorated my lanterns this year, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, here we go. The ribbons on top are DIYs that I did for this year. Now the lanterns themselves, I've had them a while. I purchased them at Pier 1. I have the medium one and the large one. Now inside the large one, the clear candlestick holder that was thrifted. The white pumpkin was in a bag of pumpkins I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And inside, the black, white, and the orange, those came from the Dollar Tree. What I did was I got the orange ones and I painted so many black and so many white. And then the garland inside, that was from the Dollar Tree that I purchased years ago. And then the smaller one, the little house in there was purchased on the clearance rack at Hobby Lobby. And the candlestick holder in there, I thrifted that as well. And then I did the same thing with the pumpkins and the garland. Now the beads, I ordered those from Amazon. I'll try to remember to put a link down below for where I purchased them. The pumpkin, the orange and white pumpkin, they came from Big Lots in their big box. The hello sign, I found that at Family Dollar a while back for $1. And this beautiful tray here, I've had that for a while, and I thrifted that. Now here is my twin table. I have the black lanterns. Everything is the same on the lanterns and inside the lanterns, except for these small white pumpkins I put in the ribbons, because these are a different size than the other ones. They were ordered off of Amazon. And the only thing that's different is the sign and the plate. The sign says fall. I ordered it from Hobby Lobby. It was brown. I painted it white. And the plate there, I ordered it off of Amazon as well a while back. I wanted them both to have really pretty plates. Now I tried to make them a little like the same. I wanted them to be a shell of each other. Now here's the first one, and you see the difference in the height and in the beautiful plate on the side. So this one says hello, and the other one says fall, and I thought that was a good representation for this holiday. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know down below. And again, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.